Hey, you guys! I mean, it's literally me. I'm Bunny. Sometimes I say stuff, sometimes what? What's up, guys? Thank you so much for clicking on today's video. Listen, I'm like casual right now. I know you're not watching this on Sunday, but it's Sunday for me, and I am in my comfort loungewear. I've got a hat on. I have no nails on, no jewelry. We are just straight chillin'. But I am like super excited for this video today because listen, it's Advent season and I've been watching a ton of Advent unboxings, and I have been searching for one that I wanted to invest the money in. And you know, last year I got that Macy's luxury calendar and I really liked it, but this year it's not so great. And I really haven't found an Advent calendar that I am drawn towards. So I was thinking, what if I gave my husband like a chunk of money, like money that I would spend on an Advent calendar, and then just send him a bunch of links of like stuff that I want and let him pick it out and put it in a box, and then I can unbox it and like have all the surprises. And it works out because I chose all of the things that I sent him, and so whatever he picks I'm going to like, but it's just a surprise to like unbox. So what I did is I gave him $100. I was like, here's $100. This is what I would spend on like an Advent calendar. And instead of getting a bunch of samples that I might never use, I just picked out a whole bunch of things from like Sephora, Ulta, Target, like so many things, all in a reasonable amount of money range so that he could get like a good amount of things. Kind of schooled him on how to use coupons and all that kind of stuff. So he wrote me after I sent him all the stuff, and he's like, all right, I got everything and I spent $100.67. So let's hope he did a good job. I also had him wrap each thing individually. So first of all, can we just give a hand to Hubs for wrapping all of the things? He said he hated every minute of it, but I haven't opened it yet, but I'm pretty sure he did a decent job. So I gave him this black box to put everything in. He was a little unsure, but he did Tetris it. So we have a bunch of things in here. I don't know what is in here. I mean, I know what I picked out. I don't know what he picked out. This is going to be like such a surprise and hopefully pretty fun. So let's get into it. Kind of a cute idea too, because even though I paid for it, it's still like a surprise from him to me. And you know, it takes the pressure off because I picked all the stuff. So I'm just gonna take the lid off, and okay, so he had some sample cards on the top, super cute. So let's see, I got a Giorgio Armani sample here and a little Pat McGrath sample. Looks like he's got some tissue paper, and then look at all the stuff. Oh, I think he might have did a good job for $100. Like, we'll see. But like, I'm not gonna be disappointed with any of it because, you know, I picked it all. So I did ask if he wanted to number these, like I was actually opening an Advent calendar, and he said no, he just wanted me to reach in and pick out stuff. So there's no like up to climax of, you know, the best present or anything. So we're just gonna like reach in and pick out something. So, okay, this is the first one. It kind of feels like a lotion bottle. I'm not exactly sure. Oh, yes! Perfect. I actually needed this. This is the Tanologist Gradual Tanning Lotion. You guys know I love the Tanologist drops, but this is actually a gradual tan lotion that I can just like quickly put on my legs when I get out of the shower. So that's great start, honey. This is great. And this is like a really nice size. So, okay, super happy about that one. All right, let's see. Let's go for another one here. I'll go for this little one. Again, I don't know like what order these are in or anything. Oh, this one has bubble wrap around it. Oh wait, I think I know what this is. Oh, yes. Okay, I do. Yes. Okay, so this is the NYX Buttermilk Bronzer. I have been wanting to try this. I heard these buttermilk products from NYX have been like really, really good. I had a couple bronzers and a couple blushes on the wish list. So. Super cute packaging. I really like this. A little bit more luxe than I had even thought. Oh, there it is. That's a very pretty color. I like how it's matte. There's no like shimmer in it. So yeah, super excited to try that. Looks really, really pretty. Ooh, I'm super excited to try that. So, okay, I got the NYX Buttermilk Bronzer. All right, I'm going for another. I wonder if this is a blush. Kind of feels the same as the last one. I think he got me the other bronzer. Oh, okay, yes, he got me the other bronzer. So as you can see, these are just two different shades of the bronzer. This one is called Butter Biscuit, and this one is called Deserve Butter. So super cute. Let me see if I can open this one real quick. There's the inside of that one, and then I'll just go ahead, and these are so smooth, guys. Holy crap. All right, so that was the first one. And then this is the second one. So yeah, a little bit of difference there. I'm excited to try those out. You know, if I don't like it, maybe he still has a receipt, but I picked them, so can't be mad at it. Okay, let's open this little tiny one. From the shape and size of this, I can, oh wait, nope, it is not what I thought it was. Oh, what is this? Okay. Oh, so this must be like a little sample that he got from ordering some of these things. This is Alpine Beauty Wildcrafted Activities Melt Moisturizer. So super cute. Now it's kind of like an advent because I don't know what I'm getting. And like this is a cute little sample. So I will definitely try that out. All right, let's go for this big one here. Let's see. Oh, oh. Oh, he did so good. This is the COSRX Skin Peptide Booster. This is a skincare serum that I have been wanting to try. Oh my gosh, can I get the box open? Here it is. Oh, I am so excited to try this out. So this is the 6-peptide skin booster, hyaluronic acid, NAG, and amino acids. This evens the skin tone, is hydrating, it firms and smooths, it has pore and sebum care, and it just improves the skin texture. So, so excited to try this. I know a lot of people like the COSRX snail stuff. I can't. Like, I know the snail mucin is like really, really good for the skin, but it's just, I can't get over the ick. I understand, but I can't get over the ick. So that was something that this didn't have in it, but was still supposed to be a really good skincare serum. So I'm super excited to try this. Great job, Hubs. That was a good one. All right, let's pull out another one. This one kind of feels similar. Yeah. It's another NYX. One of the things I schooled him on was Ulta was having like buy two, get one free for NYX products. So all of the NYX stuff that I picked out, I just like definitely told him, hey, there's this sale going on. So not totally surprised that he got me some. Look how pretty this one is. So this is the Buttermelt Blush. This is in the shade Butter Together. So let's go ahead and open this guy. I really love the packaging of these. These are really, really cute. Oh yeah, this is like that Barbie pink. I picked this one out because I do not have a pink shade like this. And so I wanted to have the option. Oh, that is it goes with my outfit today. Super pretty. Oh my God, I love that. I really do like these components. They're like really, really nice. They look cute in like they'll look great in like my collection. So I'm super excited to try those out. That's like really, really cool. All right, I have three more. And let's see, this is like a big square one. Oh, this thing is so cute. I told you I picked out like a whole bunch of different things, and this is a little dumpling nightlight. I told you I picked out a whole bunch of different things. Oh my gosh, oh my God, how adorable is this guy? This is, oh, it's battery powered. Oh, I was hoping it was USB. Oh well. Look at this little guy. He's so cute. So he's like kind of like silicone-y flush, whatever. And so it looks like he takes some batteries and then you turn him on and he has like one of those really soft glow. You know, I'm like in my cozy season here. But how freaking adorable is he? Oh my God, I love him. I really wish it was like a USB cord, but I'll take the batteries, I guess. All right, two more things in here. This is a little, let me guess, can I think lip product? I had several lip products on that list. He got me the expensive one. Oh my gosh. How did he get all of this stuff? This is the Clarins lip oil. Oh my God, in black. Guys, wait till you see this. You know, I loved the original Clarins lip oil. It was like, I think honey, but this, oh, it's gorgeous. This is the black version and it comes in this super cute, oh my gosh, I cannot believe that he got me this. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay, let's do a little swatch right there. So this is just a lip oil. So you're not gonna have like a ton of tint, but it is gonna give just like that little bit of like kind of grayish, purplish. Oh, this is such a beautiful component. Oh my gosh. Honestly, I did not think that he would pick that one, but that's a good one. These are like these are some nice like products, guys. Like I'm surprised that he went that route, but super happy with it. All right, and then the last one, I saved the biggest for last. I mean, why not? I know what it is. God, I can smell it already. These are a set of candles that I picked out at Target's Threshold line. It's coconut and honey and vanilla and bergamot. I mean, how cozy can you get? But these smell amazing through the box. I like can't even. Oh, and they have wood wicks. Oh, I love wood wicks because they do that like little crackling like fireplace sound whenever you light them. Oh, that is divine. Oh, I love that. That is probably going to go on my vanity when I'm getting ready. And let's see, this is the vanilla and bergamot. Oh, yeah, that's kind of a unisex smell. It's kind of manly. Oh, it's good. Yeah, that one's going to go in the living room as soon as our cinnamon pumpkin one is done. Oh, what a cute little set, though. Can you imagine, like, giving that as a gift? I'll tell you, these were like $10. So like, you know, I picked out things that like he could afford with the $100. But like, look at that as a gift. Like, how nice is that? Oh, I could smell these all day. Wow, that was like super fun. I love that. So if this was an advent calendar, I would be super happy with that. So I gave him $100, and I feel like I got a pretty good array of products because honestly, 2 of them I know were pretty expensive, and I'm just surprised at some of the things that he did pick out, which was really cool to like see what he wanted to get me. So we did get the little candle set, which I absolutely love. I cannot wait to burn those. I got the Tanologist Daily Glow, which is perfect. I need this for my legs right now because, you know, it's like that time of year and they're getting pretty pasty. Got the 3 NYX Buttermelt products. I'm super excited to use these. I'm really curious to try the bronzers and use that Barbie pink blush because I don't have anything like that in my collection, so super excited about that. And I'm assuming that this little moisturizer came as a free sample when he ordered, I'm assuming, that lip gloss from Sephora, so super cute. The COSRX Peptide Skin Booster, so excited to try that out. I wanted to get that because once my Barbara Sturm serum is over, I can't drop another $300 on that. So I wanted to like try something a little less expensive, but this is still like a really nice product. Yeah, I got the little dumpling nightlight. Like, how cute is he? I can't wait to like light him up and see like what he looks like. And then the Clarins lip oil, which I am super excited. Like, good job, Hubs. Like, that was like a really good pick. And I told him anything that like he didn't get me, I could just buy myself because that's what you do as an adult, right? But super happy with this little surprise wish list box / advent calendar. I think that was great and I can't wait to use everything in here. That's all I have for you today, guys. What did you think? Did you think this was like a really cute idea to like give Hubs some money and then just send him a bunch of links of like stuff that I wanted and then he could surprise me? I had super fun opening this and I'm excited about everything that he picked out. So it was like a win-win situation for like both of us. If you could please like this video, it really does help me out. Comment down below on what was your favorite product that I opened in here, or if you thought this was like just a really cute idea. Maybe I should do it again. I don't know. Maybe like give him even like a bigger dollar amount, see what he can come up with. That would be awesome. And if you can subscribe so you can follow all these antics, that would be the awesomest. I love you guys so much. I will see you on the next one. Sorry ass DJ.